Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now, earlier this week, we did our very first YouTube live stream. We've been thinking about doing it forever. I'm so glad we finally did it. We gathered everybody together. We peaked at about 500 viewers, which isn't really bad for our first live stream. And we had everybody participate in picking different colors and components to mix together something totally wild. Everybody was jumping in on the conversation, asking questions, picking different colors they wanted to see added to the mix. I had so much fun. So in this video, I'm going to show you clips of that live stream, the mixing, spraying the car, obviously share with you the end result. If you want to watch the entire live stream as a playback, there's a link in the description box below. You can watch the whole thing. Let's jump in right now. So here's what we've got. I've got the mixing right in front of me here. We've got the bucket, we've got the light, we've got a full selection of pearls over there. Behind me is the Evo. The base on the Evo is Nardo Gray. You guys, we put up a poll, I think last week or earlier this week, I think on Monday, and asked you guys what base coat you want to see on the Evo for this specific project. And the poll went back and forth a little bit. I think Bonita Blue or Persian Blue, one of those two popped up at first, and then Nardo Gray took over. I know there were a bunch of people that wanted the Desert Tan. I wanted the Desert Tan. I think Gabe was hoping for the Desert Tan. But we can't put up polls like that and then not honor the results. So if you guys are ready, I'm gonna walk you over here. We've got a whole bunch of pearls laid out. Now, because we're working with Nardo Gray, we have to use an interference pearl or combination of interference pearls. You guys know the old rule where you can't really have your pearl powder be darker than your base. So we're gonna work with all interference pearls today, but we've got a full selection of those. So I'm gonna walk you guys over there right now so you can see exactly what we've got. So we've got, and I'm gonna run through all of these, so be patient. We've got GT22 Alien, GDT Alien, green interference, gold interference, Nordic color shift, Martian blue, Martian green, Martian red, Hawaiian coral, Riddler, a couple dit spade ones in here, ZGL, ZGF, ZGA, blue interference, purple interference, RL71, GC47, Cobra, Cotton Candy, Mardi Gras, Cosmic Crush, Aqua Violet, Martian Violet, Copper Ghost, which is very interesting, and Delta. We've got a lot of pearls to choose from here. If you see any of these pearls that you want us to use, start commenting now, and I'll start to see which ones are popping up the most. I already saw a bunch of Copper Ghost. I'm gonna pull that. Melissa wants Cotton Candy, Cosmic Crush, Copper Ghost again. Copper Ghost. All right, Cosmic Crush I've seen a bunch of times. A couple for Hawaiian Coral, we'll drop that. Riddler, Pete Chris says Riddler. You know what, let's get a Did Spade one in there. Let's get a Did Spade one in there. All right, that's how many? We need one more. We need one more. I've got two Alien pearls here. GT22 and GC47. Which you guys want to see for the last one? If you guys are cool with this, I'm dropping in GT22. First going in, ZGL Hypershift. I would describe this pearl to you if I knew what it did, but I don't. Do you know, Gabe? I don't. None of us do. So we'll find out. ZGL. Ooh. A lot of gold. A lot of gold. There's going to be a lot of pearls battling for supremacy here. And all we can do is hope. Thanks, Haley. All we can do is hope that they work together. What's up, Chantel? All right, now we're going with Cosmic Crush. Cosmic Crush I can describe to you. It is like a blue-green, pink something. I don't know. I'm not really sure I know what I'm talking about. What's up, Mark? VSM. In goes the Cosmic Crush. So now we've got ZGL and Cosmic Crush. So this is Cotton Candy. This is a color shift we haven't used in a long time. I know there's a lot of blue and something in there. All right, so if a 720p is the top choice, that may be a setting on my end, on the back end, but I will look into that for the next one. Steven, I don't know if we can go brown on this, honestly. When we're doing interference pearls, I don't think it's an option for us to brown out. Now, if, you know, I could absolutely be wrong there, but we will see. Drunk Frodo, please don't eat this. Oh God, it's like a kaleidoscope. So this is a mix between 3 pearls that I already forgot what they are. Let me know if that focus is okay for you guys. It literally looks like a holographic pearl. Hawaiian coral is a corally orange and pink. Yeah, don't go with my descriptions on these. All right, in goes Hawaiian. Hawaiian coral is going to add a lot of sparkle, that I know. Because it's a really large pigment load, or pigment size. Riddler, I have no idea what Riddler looks like. But if you guys look at this, this is technically an interference pearl, I think. But it's a really saturated powder, which you normally don't see with interference pearls. So here comes a lot more sparkle. GC47, all the alien pearls are very large pigment size. Thanks, Daniel, I appreciate it, dude. Yeah, when we shred it, it's gonna be wild. All right, there goes the GC47. It's like we're supporting a very bluish, silvery cream vibe right now. I don't know what this is gonna add to it. Let me see what it looks like. Yeah, that is different. All right, in goes the Copper Ghost. This we're not gonna really see the color of that Copper Ghost until it goes over the base. Yeah, there's a lot going on here, guys. A lot. All right, guys, the project is all done. There's really 2 things I want to cover. First, this particular mix had a lot going on. A bunch of different pearls that are really trying to work together. The end result is very metallic, very subtle, very interesting. I can't wait to see what you guys think. As you see the car outside, you know what to do. Leave a comment below. Rate this color mix 1 through 5. 1, you're not feeling it. 5, you absolutely love it. The second thing I want to cover, more live streams. You guys seem to have a blast watching it and participating. I definitely had a blast doing it. If you want us to do more live streams, you gotta comment below and let me know. Live streams are a lot of work, but if you guys enjoy it, it's more than worth it. I want to see you guys all of you on the next live stream. I rarely get to interact with you guys one-on-one, so this is an awesome opportunity. Either way, if you want to dip your own car, click up here. Lots of kits to choose from, everything from dipping your wheels, your emblems, and obviously your whole car. I hope you guys enjoy the end result. I'll see you on the next live stream. I'll see you on the next video.